Are you ready to transform your streaming experience? M3U playlists are your ticket to a world of IPTV content, and today, I'll show you how to get started. First, download a recommended IPTV player like VLC or Kodi. These platforms support M3U files, allowing seamless streaming of live channels. Next, head to a reliable source for M3U playlists.
Came through flexing cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presence on me, I can't ever take it off. That's why I came, country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, they can't get.
Websites like Free IPTV offer updated lists you can use directly. Remember, the playlist has to be compatible with your player to work. Avoid common mistakes, such as using outdated links that can ruin your experience. Now, let's add the M3U URL to your player.
I am waiting for a bus at the end of the night, under street lamp, bent face flame by the light.
In VLC, go to Media, select Open Network Stream, and paste your M3U link. You're almost there. For best results, consider using a premium service like 2TV Store, the best IPTV provider. Finally, be sure to check for updates regularly to keep your channel list fresh. Enjoy endless entertainment with your newly set up IPTV.